Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Rock Bottom Airsoft. It's good to see you again, and if this is your first time here, then as always it is good to see you, and I hope you're going to stick around. Okay, well, welcome to our midweek video. Those of you who follow the channel will already know that I normally look to upload 2 videos a week, normally one midweek on a Wednesday and normally one on a Saturday at the weekend, and these midweek games are usually gameplay type videos, and then at the weekends on the Saturday we do studio type videos. So with that out of the way, today's video is obviously a gameplay video. This is me once more at my home site at Tazball Airsoft, and in this game I'm using a heavily modified ASG AR based replica. It's more of a bit of a hodgepodge of parts that I've put together and built together. Now, unfortunately, in this game, the motor height wasn't set very well, so it does sound a little bit whiny. However, it performed well during the day, and in this game, we are all trying to attack the bridge and get our flag to the opposite side of the bridge. And you'll see the bridge as we get into the gameplay. As I say, good day, good games, good fun. I hope you enjoy the video, and I shall drop you into the action right now. Enjoy. Back in! Is there any flag in play yet? Where is our flag? Can't see anyone. Where's the flag? Hey! Back in! It's a long run back to spawn. Crossing. Hey! Back in! behind it. I'm about to, I'm just trying to get a bit closer. Is there anybody at the end there? Can I get up to that next barricade? Hold on, you stay there. Are these underarm only? I can throw this overarm, can I, Rob? Rob! Can I throw this overarm? Here I go! Hold on, hold on, hold on. Did I get one with it? I'm never going to catch it. Oh, yeah. I'm going to push up to that barricade at the front. Could do if you want to. Am I good to go?
Yeah, there's no one there really.
Where's the flag? Hey! Back in! Have you got one on the other side? Is there some guy on the right? Guy's on the right side here somewhere. Alright. I think there's a guy on the right at the bottom. Keeps shooting up every time we get across, eh? Yeah, he's down about my 2 o'clock somewhere. There's a guy coming out now, so he might be gone. Can you get him? Yeah, there's a guy there. Right there. Is there anyone on the opposite side of the bridge? I don't think there's anyone there, mate. Right, just go now. One guy, 12 o'clock. They're coming in from your left. Go, go, go! Connor, 12 o'clock! He's down! Get a base of fire down this side. Go for it, mate. Reload! Hit! Good shot! Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. That was us managed to get our flag into that half track at the other side of the bridge that I'm crossing now, and that was our objective, and we had to hold it in there for 2 minutes. It was a fair walk back to respawn, which is where I'm heading now after taking that hit. And I'll be honest with you guys, by the time I got back to the objective there, the game was over and our team won that one, which was great. I really hope you enjoyed that gameplay. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did playing it. And if you have been enjoying my series of videos, then as always, please do subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss out on any of my future uploads. We've got lots more good stuff coming up on the channel. A bit more work on the affordable Barrett that I did a review on. So if that sounds like your kind of thing, as I say, get subscribed. And if you want any more content from myself, you can find Rock Bottom Airsoft on Facebook and Instagram. There's pictures and things on there about my to-ins and throw-ins within the airsoft world. So as always guys, thanks very much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.